What is the official bird of Prince Edward Island? Blue jay, osprey, or sandpiper?
Sandpiper.
Sandpiper.
I think it's the osprey.
Oh, let's say osprey. Yeah, I don't know.
Osprey.
Sandpiper.
Osprey.
Sandpiper.
Blue jay.
Sandpiper?
Let's try sandpiper.
Blue jay?
Sandpiper, I think. No, I don't know.
The answer? Blue jay.
Blue jay. Yeah.
Good job, man. The official bird of Prince Edward Island is the blue jay. It received its official title back in 1977 after a province-wide vote was held to pick the provincial bird in 1976. The blue jay can mainly be found throughout eastern Canada and the US, and is also common in Prince Edward Island year-round.